Once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. This time I have a brother SE-1900, SE-1900. This machine came in completely stuck. This is the stock season for machines. Yesterday I was working on a Bernina design. It was completely stuck. This one is not moving at all. At all. It's not moving, nothing at all. Completely stuck. I have already pulled out the bobbin case and the hook and things like that. I'm going to check it out and see what's going on, but this is completely stuck. Let me show you. It doesn't go either back or forward. It's not the foot either. It should come out, you know, it's nothing on it. It's just, wow, I don't know. Maybe this side here, I don't know. I'm going to open it up and see what's going on. And again, this is a SE-1900 machine from brother. I don't know. I'm going to check it out and see what's going on. You know, the machine is turning on, so that's a good sign. Let's jump into it. Okay, now we got the same machine that I was working on, you know, finding everywhere, nothing to find the issue. But I now checked here. Look what happened. This is the auto trimming gear right here. This is the one that pushes this cutting trimming system into the machine. And what happened is the actually customer broke a needle, looks like, and the needle went through into the gear right here, as you could see. I'm gonna try to pull it out. See that? Look at that. That big piece of needle got stuck inside here the gear. So now if I turn these, you're gonna see while I'm turning these how the actually trimming, it's moving back and from easy. And that was stuck in this position right here because that big chunk piece of needle got stuck inside here and it couldn't turn. The machine was completely jammed up. But you know, we wouldn't find out ever if I wouldn't take that cover out and check exactly where that piece of needle got jumped into it. You know, it's crazy because you don't expect a piece of needle to drop from here, break, and jump inside the back here maybe, and went through, and then it fell into the actually main gear right here. Now the trimming, as I could turn it, you see how it could easily move. Now if I turn the wheel, you're gonna see that it's gonna be turning completely free, 100%. Look at that, how easy that was. But you know, the problem is, you know, trying to find out exactly what happened. Maybe if I would have not paid good attention to it, I would have dismantled the whole machine apart trying to find out what the problem was. It was just a minor piece of needle here that got stuck into the machine. So sometimes it does take a little bit of a time, you know, for you to look around. But, you know, imagine this piece of needle stuck into a gear. I was going to jump up the machine completely, of course. But now I have took that out. I'm going to put the cover back in there. Could put a little bit of oil in it. Make sure I check the timing before I put everything back, because, you know, once that needle got stuck in there, I could probably have me shift, you know, the timing a little bit up. But I'm going to jump into it, check it out, and see what's going on and put it back together. Here's the brother SE-1900 machine that was stuck in here that, you know, I said before, that needle broke and got inside here. You know, now the machine is finished. I'm going to put it back together. Put a couple of drops of oil on it to make it nice and easy. I'm going to cover everything over back again, pull the covers back, try it out, and it should be 100% perfectly fine. Here's the machine now working. Everything's working very nice. Everything's working 100%. You know, it's a very nice machine. Everything looks good. You know, everything's working perfectly fine. A very nice stitch, very nice and clean stitch. Very nice. There you go. Everything works fine. Nice stitch, nice and clean. Another happy customer.